Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shagada host and today I will show you an interesting and helpful video tutorial in which we will see how you can copy the text or numeric values from AutoCAD file and paste it in the Excel sheet. So here these are the values I am talking about. We need to copy it and paste it in the Excel, and we need to paste it accurately cell by cell value. So I will show you how it is inaccurate when we copy it and paste it like this. Just copy it and paste it like this. So we don't want this type of pasting. So we want proper cell by cell value. The values here will be accurately displayed in the various cells. So for that, I have to go to the AutoCAD file and before starting this, we will select the data and we will rotate the datas like vertically. You just need to rotate it vertically after selecting the datas. Here are the datas. We will select it and we will have to go to this express tool option and we have to convert into the m text. Since this is a single line text, we have to convert this into multi-line text. So converting multi-line text, here you can see it's converted into multi-line text. So after converting it in multi-line text, we will again select it and double click into it. Or you can just double click into it by not selecting it. Just Control A and just Control C. Then we will have to come here and we will just have to Control B, and you don't have to do anything right now. Just go to the data tab here and go to this option, text to columns, and don't have to do anything here. Just click next again, and select the text here option and just finish it. So you can go to this here. Since it is numbers, so we'll convert it into numbers. Nothing will change, just cell by cell values we paste here as we need it. So you can paste it horizontally, you can paste it vertically as well. So to paste it vertically, you just need to select all the values horizontally and copy it. You don't have to cut it. You only can copy it. Otherwise, the option will not be available in the paste section. So we'll select a random cell here and right click onto the cell, paste special. If you cut it, the paste special option will not be available. So this various option will not be available. Just paste option will be available. So that is not good. We don't want that. We just want paste special, and we just need to go to this option, transpose, and click on OK. Here you go. Here you go. You just if you don't need it, just delete the previous data and again. So these are the level values or the values we need it in the Excel sheet. Again, we go to the AutoCAD file. We set it previous. Again, this we need to copy and paste these as well. So we'll select them and we'll use rotate command. Just rotate 90 degrees and select the values, express tools, and convert to text. Then double click on it. Then Control A, Control C. Then go to your Excel sheet. Just paste here. Just Control V. And don't have to touch anything. Just go to text to columns option. Then next, and then select the text. Then finish. And again, you can do this as well. Convert to numbers. And again, you need to paste it vertically. So we'll cut it and we will select go. Sorry, I use the cut. I don't have to use the cut. I need to use the copy option. So copy. Now you can realize that the paste special option will not be available. So you go here, paste, right click, paste special, and click on transpose. There we go. The data are listed in my Excel sheet, and now I can go and work with them. Thank you for watching.